Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that might not be the most fun topic, but it's super important. How to close a SoFi account. Whether you're switching banks, simplifying your finances, or just moving on, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's straightforward, but always double check for any account-specific details to avoid surprises. First things first, make sure you have a few things ready. Access to your SoFi login credentials, any linked bank accounts or cards, and a clear understanding of your current balance. Oh, and pro tip: close your account during business hours in case you need customer support. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your SoFi account through their official website or mobile app. Use your email and password, and enable two-factor authentication if prompted for security. Once you're in, head over to the Account or Settings section. It's usually in the main menu. Look for options like Account Management or Close Account. Step 2. Review your account details. Before you proceed, check for any outstanding balances, pending transactions, or linked services. If you have money in your account, you'll need to transfer it out or request a refund. SoFi might require you to settle any debts first, so don't skip this part, it could delay the process. Next, Step 3. Submit a closure request. Click on the option to close your account and follow the prompts. You'll likely need to verify your identity with additional info, like your social security number or a security question. Be prepared to answer why you're closing, it's just for their records. Step 4. Confirm and finalize. After submitting, SoFi will review your request, which might take a few business days. You'll get an email confirmation once it's processed. Remember, closing an account can affect your credit if it's a loan or credit card, so think twice if that's a concern. Wrapping this up, once your account is closed, keep an eye on your email for any final communications and make sure all your funds are accounted for. If you run into any issues, SoFi's customer service is there to help. Reach out via chat, phone, or email. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.